I have 18 bosses in my career. I've had one family, but I was making decisions to appease them at different times at the expense of my family. But yet my family stuck around the whole time. And so it's one of those other data points of perspective. It's like, man, we all bend over backwards for people we may never see again.
I think sometimes people believe that you have to kind of choose, it's going to be my family or it's going to be my work. Can you have both?
I think 100% you can have both. Yes, you can. I think it could look different. I think you may have to say no to some things that feel in the short term that you're missing out on, especially if we're talking about work, you're missing out. You really should go to that happy hour. It's a great time to network. You should skip your kid's game because you never know what's going to happen in that happy hour. But I think if you play the long game and you make those right personal choices and for the family, then in the end you win.